Spain is one of the easiest countries to buy a property in unless you are the wrong type of foreign buyer. And the problem is, banks will never tell you why they reject you. I work every day with foreigners trying to get a mortgage in Spain, and I can tell you this. It's not just about your income. It's not just about your savings. There are hidden factors that can instantly kill your application, and most people only find out after it's too late. Let's be clear, Spanish banks don't officially reject you because of your nationality, but in really, some foreign profiles are much harder to approve than others. Banks don't think in terms of people, they think in terms of risk. So if your profile doesn't fit what they understand and trust, your chances drop immediately. And no one is going to explain that to you. The biggest issue is not where you're from, it's how to earn your money. If you are employed with an unstable salary, everything is simple. But if you are self-employed, working with international clients, earning in different currencies, or even receiving part of your income in crypto, things get complicated very fast. Because from the bank's perspective, if they don't fully understand your income, they can't trust it. And if they can't trust it, they won't approve you. Another key problem is documentation. Each country has a different tax system, different documents, different formats, and Spanish banks are not experts in every country. So when they receive documents they don't fully understand, they don't take risk. They just say no. Not because you're not solvent, but because your case is harder to analyze. There's something else most foreigners don't know. In Spain, banks check something called CIRBE, which shows your debt inside Spain. But when you are a non-resident, they often don't have full visibility of your situation abroad. So what do? They assume a more conservative position. If they feel they don't have the full picture, they reduce the risk. And that usually means rejecting the operation. Now here's where things get dangerous. Most foreign buyers sign a deposit contract, what we call Arras in Spain, before they have a real mortgage approval. And if the bank rejects them, they lose the deposit. We're talking about thousands, sometimes tens of thousands of euros. And this happens all the time. So how do you avoid this? First, never reserve a property without having a real pre-approval. Second, make sure your profile is properly structured before going to the bank. And third, understand that not all banks in Spain work the same way. Some banks will reject you instantly, while others might approve you without a problem. Choosing the right one makes all the difference. Spain is still one of the best places in Europe to buy property, but only if you understand how the system really works. Because if you don't, you might become one of the many foreign buyers that banks gladly reject without ever telling you the real reason.